Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on August 22, 2025, which was about 3 days ago. The headline contribution is a new benchmark that uses premier contest problems and expert-validated test suites to give a far more rigorous and frankly tougher read-on model coding ability. The paper is titled AetherCode, Evaluating LLMs' Ability to Win in Premier Programming Competitions. And as we will see later, the implications for fair evaluation are quite significant. In short, the benchmark exposes a sizable gap to elite human programmers, shows reasoning-focused models leading, and confirms that stronger models benefit more from multiple samples. Alright, the earlier introduction set up the need for tougher evaluation. Table 1 compares major code benchmarks and shows that AetherCode targets higher difficulty, offers 456 problems in this release, and supports ongoing updates, which matters because static sets stifle progress. The table also highlights test case construction, where others rely on handcrafted or crawled cases, while AetherCode uses a generator-validator agent plus experts. The source column underscores the difference, with premier contests instead of general coding sites. Okay, the earlier comparison table emphasized source quality and test construction. Table 2 now summarizes the dataset scale, which matters for statistical confidence because diversity reduces overfitting to specific patterns. The table shows 159 easy, 145 medium, 132 hard, and 20 extreme problems, so the tail is genuinely difficult. The year breakdown lists 400 problems from 2024 and 56 from 2025, indicating recent, high-caliber contests. Together, these counts signal both breadth and freshness for rigorous evaluation. The earlier table covered dataset scale and recency. Table 4 reports model performance by difficulty, year, and pass at 1, 2, and 4, so the ranking is clear. O4 Mini High and Gemini 2.5 Pro lead across categories, and they are the only models that register solves on the extreme tier. Reasoning models consistently outrun non-reasoning peers, which shows stronger logical search and better gains from multiple samples. Alright, the previous figure highlighted overall rankings by difficulty. Table 6 now breaks performance down by algorithm category, which makes the strengths and weaknesses very concrete. Reasoning models lead across nearly every column, with O4 Mini High and Gemini 2.5 Pro topping basics, dynamic programming, and graph theory. Computational geometry and tree problems remain tough for most systems, so scores drop sharply there. Non-reasoning models trail consistently, which signals limited search and abstraction capacity across domains. Okay, the category breakdown made the gap unmistakable. 2 takeaways stand out. The benchmark's expert-audited test suites deliver trustworthy pass and fail signals, and even top reasoning models solve only a slice of extreme problems, showing real headroom. Thanks for joining. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.